Hey guys, I want to do something that's fun. Let's do a little challenge. How about a weird sandwich challenge? Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on the video. Listen, I just jumped up and I had an idea for a little bit of a challenge, and I challenge you all. Let's do a weird sandwich challenge. What is the weirdest sandwich that you actually do? This is actually a sandwich from my childhood, one of the many strange sandwiches from my childhood. Listen, it is grilled cheese with peanut butter and jelly. Yes, all of that together. And bologna. Get into it. So it's literally, like I said, grilled cheese sandwich with bologna on it and peanut butter and jelly. And I'm going to show you how I make it. All right, so first things first. We start off with bread of your choice, white bread for me. We're doing a white Italiano. Okay, not some old fancy, half fancy bread, little short bread. 2 pieces. This is real simple. Bologna. Bologna. This is thick bologna, so it's a thicker bologna. 1 slice, that's all you need. Get that out of your way. American cheese from down at the Big Bird, having giant eagle. Look, I'm out there. All these people are gonna be owing me some money. I'm gonna be sending them all invoices down into the Big Bird. 2 pieces. I'm gonna put 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top. Close that up. Close that up. Now, I'm not using butter. This is a vegetable oil spread. It's vegetable oil spread because it doesn't burn as fast as butter. If you want to use butter, by all means, you can go ahead and use butter. But I'm going with the vegetable oil spread because, again, grilled cheese is tricky. It's tricky, and I just don't want to be bothered with the whole burning of the butter thing. So, I actually take and I spot it for the most part. I'll do 5 little spots. See, this was my little teenage self and preteen self. Okay, that does this. 5 spots of butter of this. It's not butter. Keep saying butter. It's not butter. Vegetable oil spread, and that's what I did. And then when I go to the stove with it, I actually use. I'll take and coat the bottom of the pan. I'll just actually put the vegetable oil spread in there and coat, let it melt down. And then when I flip it, what's on top will actually do its thing. It'll start to melt while you're cooking. But see that? 5 spots. And I didn't make this up. This, like I said, this was my preteen self that did this, that used to do this a lot. I don't do it that much since I've become an adult, but I actually got it from my mother. My mother does this. She does this. But she doesn't do the bologna. She doesn't do the bologna. She'll do grilled cheese with peanut butter and jelly. So I got it from my mama. Anyway, all right. So at this point, we got to go to the stove. So I'm on my way to the stove. All right. You see what I mean? I told you I just will coat. Very simple. Just lay your sandwich in. You see I got my spotted part up, the other part down, and you just kind of let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. And I have a low heat. It's not a real high heat either, because you don't want the bread to burn. So you kind of, that's why I actually use a vegetable oil spread as opposed to butter, because you're always in a race with time when you're playing with grilled cheese. Okay, give that a few minutes. I'm actually going to flip this now. Ready? One big old motion, just flip that sucker over and let it go. I actually put a top on it as well for a melting assist with my cheese. It's just a little assist, that's all. This is real simple. Like I said, it was my preteen self that used to do this. And it's just quick and it's easy, but it's so good. Okay, voila. Now you have a perfect. Yeah, I said it's perfect. A perfect grilled cheese sandwich with bologna on it. Take a look. Oh, don't drop the sandwich. There we go. Perfect. Getting to it. Perfect. Grilled cheese with bologna. Okay, as if that wasn't weird enough. Now is when it becomes an actual weird sandwich, okay? So now we're going to add peanut butter. And Jif, creamy, of course. All right. Yes, you literally add it right to the top of the sandwich. And just slather that right on there. And of course, the heat from you just taking it off the stove is a nice little melting assist. Now, y'all know how funny I am about stuff. You know good and well, you don't double dip. No double dipping. And also, 2 separate knives while you're doing this. Don't you dare put your peanut butter knife in your jelly. And these are preservatives. So if you want to be fancy, they're preservatives. It's not jelly, it's preservatives. Strawberry is where I'm going. And trust me, I'll do this with peach, apricot, grape, whatever you can think of type of jelly, I will do it. And just drop that right on there and get what you're going to need, because you're not going to double dip. That's enough. And then you just go ahead and smear that right on out there too. Hold on there. And of course your peanut butter is still moving because it's warm. It's going to be so good. Do you see this? This is what I call good foolishness. I know it's foolish. That's the fun of it all. Foolish and fun. Yes, indeed. Now let me see. Let's show you what we got here. Look at that. A mess. Peanut butter, jelly, bologna. A good, foolish, fun time. Once again. Peanut butter, preservatives, cheese, and bologna. Only over here with Spiller Boy TV. And are you hungry? Let's get to eating. Enjoy, guys, if you care to try it. But yeah, this is weird sandwich number 1. Oh, I'm gonna come back with some more. I got some more little strange little mixtures that I do. This is going to be fun. I'll talk to you guys later.